Period. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Anasia, here with another video. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get from basic to baddie, and I only use 3 eyeshadows in this look. Beginner friendly, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. Hey guys, just jumping right into the video. So I did speed this part up because I am not 100% confident with applying wigs. So I'm not about to sit here and show y'all how I do it, and like I don't really like how I do it myself, so I'm not that type of person. So yeah, this part is completely sped up, but yeah, just go ahead and enjoy it. So here I am jumping right into these trash eyebrows of mine. They really need to be waxed, but I'm just filling them in using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And don't worry guys, I haven't forgot, I do have an eyebrow tutorial on the way for y'all. So here I am cleaning up my eyebrows using a L'Oreal Infallible Matte Concealer. Yeah, I'm just cleaning my eyebrows up, only the bottom, and then I'm dragging it down to my eyelid just as a base for my eyeshadows. Everybody that knows me knows that this little palette right here is my go-to. As you can see, I already hit pan. It's a little Pixie palette. I picked it up in Marshalls. It was like $12 or whatever. But this color, I always use it as my transition color no matter what type of eye I'm doing. But I wasn't really intending on doing the eyeshadow, but I just wanted to add some type of color, so I'm just adding that reddish brown, and I'm going in with a skin tone type of brown color just to blend the edges out on it. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and a darker brown in that palette, and I'm just adding that to the outer V just to give it a little bit of smokiness. And after you blend everything, make sure that you always go back in with that first brush and blend everything out as I'm doing here. Now I'm taking this gold foil shadow by either L'Oreal or Maybelline. I'll have it in the description box. But I'm just taking that with a little fluffy brush, and I'm just popping that on my eyes. I didn't put it on there with any rhyme or reason. I just like popped it on there just to have that little extra glow, you know. So just like the part of me putting my wig on, this part of me doing my wing eyeliner is sped up as well because I am not good with doing wing liner on camera because I literally have to be close to the mirror, and like my arms, the way my arms are set up while I was filming this, it just wasn't too good. This side was good, but the other side was horrible. That's why it's not recorded at all. So after I did my liner, I just went ahead and popped some lashes on. Some lashes that I just got from the hair store. So yeah. So now I'm just using my rusted busted, but it can be trusted Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 356. And I'm just applying that with my concealer brush. And please, y'all, when you're doing your foundation, when you're blending it out, please make sure that you blend it down to your neck and also your hairline. Like, just blend it all the way back because you don't want to look like no purge mask. It's a hot girl summer and we want to look hot, okay? We don't want to look like, no. We just want to look good. So make sure you blend everything out, okay? Make it look like skin. So now, y'all, I'm just going ahead and doing my concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. And on top of Toffee, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. Because Toffee is more of my skin tone. But Warm Honey, it just gives it like the extra highlight that you're looking for. So that's why I do it like that. And to blend it out, I actually use an eyeshadow brush. I use the MAC 225 eyeshadow brush just because the way that it's stippled, it just makes it easier to blend. So that's the brush that I use to blend out my concealer. So accidentally I deleted the clip of me actually putting the contour on, but that's okay. So you could just see me blending it out. I used the ABH contour kit in medium to deep. And I was just wiping my nose ring off because it was looking brown. Like, why would I want my diamond to be brown? Like, that looks dirty. But yeah. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So I went ahead and just put highlighter on because my camera did go dead, so I ended up having to switching to my phone, which is really crazy because I was thinking that I should have just recorded on my phone anyway. So I'm just about to put some foam on my hair just so it could like lay down, flyaways. See, if anybody wears a frontal or a closure or anything and you need to find, you're trying to figure out a way to lay down those flyaways, if your hot comb is not working, I promise you some foam wood. The foam wrap that I'm using is by Bonner Brothers. It's this one. It's like that. So yeah, you just spray it on there and you just comb it down. And I went ahead and added some highlighter. I used Anglola by the Crayon case. And my lip, I use a brown lip liner by the Crayon case. It's called Bear. And I use Snob lipstick by MAC. And I also put the Snob lip gloss on top. And this is the finished look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.